What are the best ways to explore Galway City during festivals? Imagine walking through a city alive with music, color, and laughter. Galway bursts into a lively scene during its festival seasons, and there are many ways to experience it all. The best way to start is by strolling through the city center and the Latin Quarter. These areas are packed with street performers, pop-up markets, and art displays. Walking allows you to soak up the atmosphere and discover hidden corners of the city. Galway streets are pedestrian-friendly, making it easy to move from one event to another without stress. During festivals like the Galway International Arts Festival or Galway Theatre Festival, many venues are close together, so you can hop from a street performance to a gallery opening in minutes. If you want to cover more ground, public transport is a good option. Special shuttle buses operate during big festivals like the Galway Oyster Festival or Galway Pride, connecting popular spots such as Salthill and Kinvara. These shuttles help you avoid parking issues and traffic jams. Guided tours are another great way to explore. Many festivals offer walking tours that tell stories about Galway's history, arts, and culture. These are perfect for first-time visitors who want a structured experience. Markets are also a must-see. The tiny Traders Market village near the Spanish Arch is lively during festivals, offering local crafts, tasty food, and live music. Visiting these markets helps you meet artisans and taste regional specialties. Outdoor events are a highlight of Galway festivals. You can enjoy outdoor concerts, boat gatherings, or races along the Salthill promenade. These scenic outdoor activities show off Galway's beautiful coastal setting. For popular shows and performances, booking tickets early is smart. The Galway International Arts Festival and Trad on the Prom are very popular, and tickets often sell out fast. Booking in advance guarantees you a seat in theaters like the Black Box Theatre or Lesserellan Theatre. Participating in workshops is another fun way to get involved. Many festivals include sessions in Irish music, dance, crafts, or language. These interactive activities give you a chance to learn and connect with local traditions. If you want to explore wider areas during festivals, renting a bike or electric scooter works well. This is especially useful for events in nearby villages like Kinvara or for festivals like the Galway Climate Inspirations Festival. Cycling is quick, fun, and eco-friendly. So, to enjoy Galway during its festivals, walk through the lively streets, attend a mix of indoor and outdoor events, use local transport options, and join cultural workshops. This approach helps you experience the city's vibrant arts, music, and community spirit fully.